Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. My channel is Kelly's Creations, and here what you're gonna see is a mom who crafts. I'm not a professional by any means. So if you love trash to treasure, Dollar Tree DIYs, minis, I've been making these little minis that everybody seems to really love, and I have so much fun making minis. And just normal, just everyday crafting. I love trash to treasure, so you'll probably see a few of those. And just trying to think outside the box and come up with ideas that maybe you haven't seen before. So if you like all that stuff, you need to stick around. Check out some of my older videos. I've been doing this for 3 years now, and I thought it was time to update this channel trailer. If you want to see the original channel trailer, I will have that still on my channel as well. But it was time for a little update, so hit that subscribe button, grab a cup of coffee, and join me every Sunday morning. And if it isn't on Sunday, I will be posting at least once a week. So let's have some fun together and just come up with new ideas. Comment below. I love to hear from you. I love your ideas. I also am on Instagram if you want to check out Kelly's Creations there. Feel free to do so and just have some fun with me. I love you guys. Have a blessed and wonderful day. I'll see you Sunday morning. Bye, y'all.